What's going on, guys? Your main man James here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a very simple way to do affiliate marketing with free traffic, free tools, perfect for beginners, and works worldwide. All right, so make sure you follow this method very carefully, because if you skip a couple of steps, it's just not going to be as effective. All right, so here we are. If we Google for something like this, for instance, testimonials help businesses, okay? We have here an article, the importance of testimonials for your business, okay? So you can kind of read this article. What is a testimonials? Why are testimonials so important? How to use testimonials more effectively, stuff like that. And testimonials are key. And when I started out in online businesses, online marketing, affiliate marketing, stuff like that, I did not know the importance of testimonials. I did not realize how important they are. And I'm sure maybe you're in the same position, maybe you're in the same shoes, or I'm 100% definitely sure that there are other businesses in the same shoes as well. Because when a business is starting out, they have a lot of things they need to do, and they are not as focused on testimonials as they should be, when in fact testimonials are very important. They are extremely important to making money. They're super important to getting clients, because it's very important what other people have, the kind of experience other ex-customers had, former clients had, and this really helps out in getting new customers and clients, all right? And so if we Google for something like this, examples of testimonials, you're going to see testimonial examples, and you can actually use that in the method, which I'm going to show you in a second how to do that. So here we have examples of testimonials. Here's an article, the importance of testimonials, okay? So you have two articles that are gonna help you deliver this pitch, help you to make this method a lot more effective. So if I Google for this and I go to Code Academy, right? I Google for Code Academy and I go in here. This is Code Academy, and this is the homepage. And if I scroll down, we have stories. Now, this is the same thing. These are essentially testimonials, that they're just using a different name. And so you can open this and you can read this guy right here. He's a team lead for maybe another company, right? Learning journey, learning the basics of machine learning, right? This is a guy who has used Code Academy and he wants to share his experience with the world. Okay, so we have this. Here's another person. She is, see how this architect switched to UX design. This is Allison, senior UX designer at Acquia, Columbus, United States, right? So there you go, very important. And you have these other testimonials, and you can explore more stories, but these are very important, right? Because if I'm on the site and I'm thinking about, do I want to sign up? Is it worth it? Is it going to be just a waste of time? Once I see testimonials and I realize that these people who have used the site and have had success, have good things to say about it, they're kind of like me. They're similar to me. Maybe they're not exactly like myself, but they're similar. It's gonna help me to kind of go that extra mile and actually sign up for the service, okay? Now, the next thing you guys want to do is you want to Google for a list of new businesses, Washington State, okay? Washington State is a great state. It's a fantastic state. You have Seattle, which is a big city. You have Spokane there. You have some great cities there. And they also have a really great website that lets you know of new businesses that have started there recently. So if I Google for it, I have the first result. So I'm going to open that up, and this is what I have. I have business and development. I have new business lists, right? And these are weekly, right? These are weekly, updated weekly. You can go as far as 2015 if you want, which I do not recommend. I recommend going to the newest one, right? You can go as far back as maybe a month, right? Maybe a couple of months, but you want to start with the freshest list here. So if I open this list here, what I have is a list of businesses, okay? And the beautiful thing about this method is that we're not selling a ClickBank product. We're not selling a Max Bounty offer. We're not selling anything internet-centric, okay? And what this means is that we can target pretty much any businesses here. We can target doctors. We can target lawyers. We can target, construction companies. We can target anything, because testimonials are, important for everybody. In fact, they're probably more important for like doctors or these physical businesses as opposed to online businesses. In fact, they're important everywhere, But physical businesses are going to see the value of it really, really easily, really, really quickly. And so I have a lot of businesses here, and you can go to any business that you want. These are brand new businesses that were just registered in the last week. Okay, from the moment I'm making this video, they're very, very fresh. And so what I'm looking for is I'm looking for, mom and pop businesses. I'm looking for, construction businesses, doctors, dentists, restaurants, any kind of business that, has some kind of value. In fact, I would probably be looking at construction businesses, not so much restaurants, because restaurants really do not need testimonials so much because it's just a restaurant. But in fact, something where, you have to pay a lot of money, right? Something there, where there's a cost, construction businesses, dentists, doctors, maybe dentures, maybe putting in, some kind of, facial surgery or cosmetic surgery, plastic surgery, stuff like that. Maybe putting in, dentures, these kind of white teeth, something that goes above and beyond what people typically need. These are perfect targets, perfect candidates for testimonials, okay? And so here I have this business here, Empire Roof Coatings, okay? LLC. And I open this webpage here. I open it up. And this is the perfect example, right? They have a great website, but they have no testimonials. Why replace your roof when you can restore it? Okay, so there you go. Instead of replacing it, I can restore it because I know nothing about roofs. So this is a very good kind of page, right? For people that do not know. And so it says who we are, why white roofs, roof systems, but they have no testimonials. They have no testimonials. This is a perfect example where you can come in and say, hey, did you know that the importance of testimonials for your business? You can send them this article. You can also say, here are some examples of testimonials, right? But what you guys want to do is you want to come here and you want to go find their contact page. Okay, so they have a number here. They also have emails, right? If you go in here, if you go to contact, they're going to have a page, right? Here's their page here. This is their contact form here. You can just submit it. And what you guys can do is you can send them a message that says, hey there, I just stumbled upon your website. I think it's a great website. But you're missing one of the most important, crucial features when it comes to getting new clients, new customers, is that you don't have any testimonials, right? And so what you guys can do is you can go to testimonial.to, okay? And this says get video testimonials for your customers with ease, right? And you can send them this tool. But this tool has an affiliate marketing program, right? If you scroll down, it says here, join affiliate program. So if I open this up right here, I open this up in the new tab here, and it says here, be our affiliate, earn 30% commission, partner with us to earn a recurring 30% commission every month. Your referred customer will also get a 15% off the first year. Okay, so you refer somebody, they're going to get a discount, and you're going to get a 30% commission every month. It's a fantastic program. And you're going to be getting payments using PayPal, no minimum threshold, and you have these things depending on how many people you refer. So let's say you refer 10. You have 10 referrals, and you have, let's say, you have 2 referrals for the ultimate plan. You have 10 referrals for the premium plan. You're going to be earning $288 every single month. Maybe you have 20 referrals, which is not that hard. You're going to be making almost $500 every single month. Or let's say you have 2 referrals here and you have 10 referrals for this ultimate plan, right? You're going to be making $576 every month. How it works? Number 1, sign up for our affiliate program and get a unique link that can be shared. Share your link with your friends, customers, and clients. You'll get 30% commission. So you can click on here, join our affiliate program. You can just simply fill it out. And guess what, guys? You don't need a website. You do not need a website. It's not like going for ClickBank or MaxBounty or anything complex. Super easy. You just fill out your first name, fill out your last name, fill out your email, fill out your password, and that's it. That's all you have to do. It's the easiest affiliate program out there, and you're getting 30% commission. Now, what I recommend, guys, and you can just go to Google Docs. You can simply go in there, and you can create an article, right? So let me show you how you can do it, right? So we're going to go in here. And so here I am in Google Docs, and all I have to do is create a brand new document and say something like this, hey there, or you can even call them by the first name if you know who this is. If on the contact form it tells you their name and you know exactly who you're dealing with. And you can say, hey there, I just checked out your website, And you can, you want to personalize it, right? You can say something like, I just checked out your website. You can go back here and you can say, this is Empire Roof Coatings, right? You can go in here, you can go to home. You can just get an idea, you can take a look. Empire Roof Coating. You can go back here, Empire Roof Coatings. Great business idea. And this is something perhaps I might be, and this is something I might be interested in having done myself for my house. Okay, you can do something like this. And then you can say, by the way, did you know that having testimonials increases your revenue, increases your leads, your ability to get new customers by, whatever, like 70%, whatever number you see once you actually research it a little bit, right? This is very important. Having testimonials. You have a great website, you have a fantastic website, but you have no testimonials. Well, let's fix that. Well, how about we fix that right now? In fact, it's true, right? They have a fantastic website, but they have no testimonials. And you can say something like, use this tool. You can simply use this tool. You're going to join this affiliate program. You're going to get your links. And then once you sign up, you're going to have an affiliate link. And you can simply do something like this. Check out this amazing tool that can easily, with which, and you can do something like this. Okay, and you can link it, right? You can simply press Control K, and that's going to link it to the URL. And what they're going to do is it's going to give them the ability. It's not going to generate testimonials for them. They still need to go out and approach former or current customers and see. But it's going to make it so much easier, guys. It's going to simplify it so much. And that is why I highly, highly recommend this is the way you want to do it. And you can simply write them. You can simply copy all this. And you can use that in the contact form, right? So if you go in here, if you go back to the contact form here, and a lot of times, sometimes they're going to have a form to email you. Other times they're going to have an actual email. And if you can't find an email, you can just go to hunter.io and you can type the company name. So we're going to go in here. We're going to put this company name and see if we can find an email. Okay, so here's an email. All you need to do is sign up for a free account. So I'm going to log into my free account. And I'm going to show you exactly how it's going to, display this email right now. So I'm going to click sign in. All right. So I'm signed into my account. I paste this back and now I have the full email. I can just copy it and I can just email. Now, what you guys want to do is you want to use a separate Gmail account. You don't want to use your personal Gmail account. You don't want to use your existing Gmail account. You want to create a brand new account that you can use and you can just send them this content right here. Do not, beat around the bush, no small talk or anything like that. Just send them this pitch directly and see what they want. I think it's a great pitch, and I have been using this method in other niches, other verticals, as a side hustle to supplement my existing income sources. So try this method out. You have nothing to lose. It's free traffic, free tools. Everything is free. The only thing you have to do is motivate yourself to go out and try this out, and you're going to be making good money because you're going to be helping new businesses become more profitable, more effective by having testimonials on their website automatically using this amazing tool. All right, guys, so that is the method I wanted to share with you guys today. Really hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Want to see more videos such as this one. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we have daily videos on affiliate and CPA marketing and other make money online methods. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys real soon.